The Samsung Galaxy Z44 has some big shoes to fill if it's to follow on from the impressive Galaxy Z43. But there's room for improvement, with the foldable phone's formula still not yet perfected. While a trickle of rumors is now starting to flow steadily for the Z44, there's still quite a bit we don't know. So we have collected all the leaks and rumors we have heard so far, and we have weighed in with our thoughts on what the Z44 needs to improve on if Samsung wants to continue to hold on to the best foldable phones crown with its next generation. If those rumors didn't satisfy your appetite for Z44 material, we also have a modest wish list for the new foldable. While it looks like the basic design of the Galaxy Z44 isn't changing, Samsung could be a lot worse than copying this enticing looking concept titled the Galaxy Flex Note, based on a patent filed by Samsung and brought to life by Technizo Concept and Let's Go Digital. We particularly like how this design uses a single display and features room for an S Pen stylus, which would mark the Z Fold series as the successor to the now defunct Galaxy Note series. Some of the features we have seen on other Samsung phones and more tipped for future ones may also come to the Z Fold 4. For example, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 Bespoke edition with its multiple color combinations would fit right in with the Z Fold 4, although with a slightly different kind of customization, since one side of the folded phone is still all screen. To summarize, here's what we'd like to see in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Despite costing so much, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 has the same set of cameras as the Galaxy Z Fold 2 from the year before, albeit with the internal selfie camera swapped out a under-display camera. It would ideal if Samsung offered better cameras overall on the Z Fold 4. Photography isn't going to be focused for Samsung's foldable like it is for its Galaxy S phones, but larger and higher resolution sensors would still be a welcome addition. A more powerful space zoom would also be nice. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 introduced the S Pen stylus to Samsung's foldables, so it would make sense for the company to build on this with the next gen model. Hopefully the company will be able to make the stylus fit within the Galaxy Z Fold 4's body like the concept design above, rather than requiring you to score the pen separately or in specially designed cases again. Unfortunately, based on the rumors that have emerged since we first published this report, it sounds like won't be happening. If Samsung is serious about making foldables mainstream, it needs to follow the example of its own Galaxy Z Flip 3 and make the price closer of that of more conventional flagship phones. The possibility of 128GB Galaxy Z Fold 4 makes this move seems possible. The main side effect of watching content on foldable phones is that your viewing experience can sometimes be spoiled by the obvious creases on the screen. We don't expect the crease to disappear, but it would be nice to see it fade into the background a bit more, just like Galaxy Z Fold 4 rumors are tipping. By the nature of folding the main display in half, it's going to be tricky to get a foldable phone to be especially thin. However, the number one complaint of people we showed the Galaxy Z Fold 3 that it's too thick and bulky to carry around. We'd like to see the Z Fold 4 shape a few more fractions of an inch of its total size. The Z Fold 3 starts at a disadvantage by having to power two displays, including one that's the size of a small tablet. We saw under 8 hours of battery life in our testing, and it would like to see closer to 10 hours through a combination of perhaps a larger battery and other efficiency gain.